Darling, darling, I'm sorry. I wake you up. It's nothing. Don't worry. I was just having a bad dream, that's all. Oh no, we don't need to talk about it. I don't want to keep you awake. Tomorrow is an important day to you and I don't want to mess that up for you. I have messed up so many things in your life already. You are so sweet, but I know I have and I regret it. Anyways, you should go back to sleep, my love. Don't worry about me. What? Sheesh. Don't just say something like that out of the blue. It's impossible for you not to worry about the person you most love. That one of the sweetest things you have said to me. Why, I haven't told you? Well, if I told you, you might have feel bad or guilty. Or maybe think that I was just trying to manipulate you. Well, this dream started soon after we agreed on letting you untied. When I take off the ropes and let you to roam around the house. Well, you see, I was nervous. But after a couple of days, I stopped feeling that way, right? That was what I told you at least. The truth is that I wanted to tie you up again. Since the moment I take off those ropes from you, but you keep trying to comfort me all the time. When you see me feeling down, you always were there for me. I really appreciate that. But at the same time, it makes me feel bad if I told you it wasn't working. So I just shoved it down and acted like I was fine, though I was not fine at all. And I don't know if it is something like that people says about repressed thoughts manifesting on dreams, but a couple of days after that I started to have nightmares where you run away or when you called the cops on me and they took me away from you and I cried, but you didn't look at me. You just smiled at your family and your face. You had an expression of pure relief, not having to share a house with a crazy psycho like me. That must be all what you want. But then there was that day when someone called at the door. When I was taking a bath and you opened the door, you tell our neighbors, Mrs. Brown, that I was busy. You even introduce yourself as my boyfriend and close the door back. You could have run away from me. And you decided not to. That day I cried from happiness. You didn't see me. I did it in the bathroom. Then, even though I didn't stop having nightmares, they became less frequent. But now you get this new job and I know that we need the money, but I just stopped thinking about you being apart from me so much time, interacting with so many people, so many girls, so many pretty girls, both clients and co-workers. What if he just starts to feel attracted to one of them? What if he decides to cheat on me or leave me for someone else? Or what if he gets sexually harassed by someone? What if even if he remains loyal, he just gets constantly harassed by those filthy bitches? I just can't. If anything like that happens, you are going to tell me. But if anything happens, you will call me right away. But I don't want it to happen. I don't want it to happen. I'm sorry. I need to get it together. I can't just expect things to stay like they were forever. You need to start doing things on your own again. And I need to endure it. But it is really hard for me. You are the first boyfriend that have truly shown me love and respect. You stayed with me even after I adopted you, threatened you and your family. I was a total piece of shit and hate. You forgive me. You stayed here with me. You accepted my feelings. You are a wonderful person and I know you would never hurt me. Even though I don't deserve you, you will never leave or cheat on me. I know that. But even if I repeat that to myself when I'm awake, the moment I close my eyes, I just see bad things. Would it be okay if at least I go visit you at your workplace at lunchtime? It is? Thank you, my love. You truly are the best. You want me to have lunch there? Well, that's great. Of course I will. And you will introduce me to your co-workers too, as your beloved girlfriend? You are the best. I love you. I love you more than anything in the world. I could not wish anything better than what we have. I promise you, I will do my best to someday have a normal relationship with you, to not make you go through so much trouble every time you need to do something so trivial. I'm always causing you problems. I'm sorry. You are hugging me. Thank you. When you hug me and gently caress my hair like this, I feel so safe. Like if all the bad things of this world disappeared. Oh no, I could not ask you to do it every night. It's too much. You want to do it every night? You are just too good to be true. I love you. Hey guys, thank you for listening. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also check out my other videos on your screen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It will encourage me to create more content. As always, be strong, be kind, and love yourself. Also, believe in yourself. And I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.